Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making rice pilaf. Rice pilaf is an amazing rice side dish that goes with any seafood, pork, chicken, anything you can really think of. It's loaded with vegetables and it only takes about 30 minutes to make. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we're going to need 2 cups of long grain white rice, 4 cups of chicken stock, half a cup of diced celery, onions, carrots, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and some olive oil. In a deep sauce pot, we're going to want to go in with our olive oil and we're going to heat this up for a few seconds. Now we're going to want to throw in our onions, carrots, and celery, and we're going to want to saute this up for about 2 or 3 minutes. Now we're going to add in a pinch of salt and pepper. We're going to put in our rice and we're going to toast this for about a minute. Now we're going to want to make a little well in the center. We're going to throw in our garlic and saute that up for about 45 seconds. Once you start to smell that garlic, we're going to add in our 4 cups of chicken stock and we're going to bring this up to a boil. Once the stock comes up to a boil, we're going to turn the heat down to low. We're going to cover this and we're going to let it sit for 20 to 25 minutes. And after 20 to 25 minutes, this is what we're left with. You're going to want to get in there with a spoon or a fork. Just slightly separate it. We're going to want to fluff it up so it's nice, light, and fluffy. And to plate this, we're just going to get ourselves a nice bowl. We're just going to pile it nice and high. Put it right in the center of the table so everybody can dig in. I'm going to finish plating this and then we'll get a taste. Let's get a bite. It's good stuff. It's rich from the vegetables. It's light, it's fluffy from cooking the rice properly. If you enjoyed this recipe, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. You can check us out on Facebook at HomeHeadChef. Now if you don't like carrots, you can substitute any vegetables you want. Throw in mushrooms, peppers. You can really make rice pilaf year round. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.